Okay, so now we need to edit. I just talked about the edit. Okay, so let's make a new edit, new file, edit, food, item, form, test. All right, so let's look at what the edit test is going to look like. In our order it's written, so you don't have to see it all, because a lot of this was already done based on what we had done for the add item form, so I don't want to go over too much detail. But the gist of it is data. It's not exporting anything yet. That's fine. The gist of what's happening here is the fact that why isn't it like that? That is okay. Is it looks pretty much the same text inputs and everything. It is the same except for the buttons, right? So it's gonna have a button to do the submit, which is gonna do the actual edit. So it's gonna call an edit command or process, and then cancel. So if I cancel, I don't want to do anything. All right, so I have two buttons now instead of just the one. There's gonna be an edit button. What do they call it? Add here. I think I want to call it edit food item and cancel. Not bad. Okay. So let's go up to the edit form and update. Let's create this one here. Processes. Okay. So I have not made the update editing yet. So we'll leave that out for now. This out. We'll get to that in a second. All right. Okay, so I have my update and my edit. We come back down over here. Update and edit. Over here, add it to my test. And cross my fingers. It's probably not going to pass because I need to do some other things first. I think. All right. Oh, it did pass. All right. So now what I need to do is I actually need to initiate an edit state right in here. I click the edit button to bring in the edit widget over here. So for that to happen, we need to actually have an editing state on here. So okay, we got that. Boom, have that. You know, I had that. Okay. Not a problem. So that happens inside the form, right? The food item list needs to do it on here. So let's go ahead and have one that's going to say the all I'm doing is going to update editing. So okay, so here we're going to do a command export. Nope, not export. Const update editing command. So I'm going to pick off my state the editing. Ooh, you know what? I need something else there. Happening like that. I don't like that. Do I have state? Yeah, I have state. There we go. I need something else. We need to add something else to our application state. So I can say I want to update, I want to start editing, but what am I going to edit, right? So I need to have a selected item, right? So put that in here. Selected item is going to be equal to a food item. Now, this is definitely going to be something that is optional. Right? Won't always be the case here. So let's do that. Process here. So I also want the selected item. All right. So now what I'm going to say is I'm going to get the state. Oops. Payload. Ooh, okay. All right. Hold on. So now how do I do this here? So now I'm going to say that the state dot editing is going to be equal to the payload dot editing, and my state selected item is actually equal to the payload selected item. All right, is that right? Yes. Okay, so let me do this. Let me do a little bit more destruction because yeah. I was getting myself confused a little bit. There we go. Okay. That's nicer. Bam. Process. Export. Const. Update. Editing. Right? Not the command. It is like process. Oh, come on. It imported something. Straight from domain. What? This could be. Okay. Update editing and my update editing. Boom. All right, so now I can come back over here to the food item list. All right, so my test. Okay, let me close there. I got too many things happening. Again, I like them one thing at a time, man. Okay, so food item list. Let's go ahead and bring in the update editing and const update edits equal to store.executor update editing. Bam. Now when I click on the edit button, I think again the hang of this here, right? So on the edit button, click that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so what I'm going to do, update edits. I'm going to pass it the payload. Editing. Be true. And the selected item is going to be the current food item. Remember, I'm mapping over these things, so I have access to the food item here. So that's how I do that. Now what I can say in the app here, let's say that const editing is equal to get path editing. So let's bring in the edit item form here. All right, so edit. Here's where I'm going to say that I'm editing. Oh my gosh. Not see that. If I am editing, then I want to bring the edit item form, or else the add item form. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. So it does. So in the app here, I need to get one more thing. Right, so we get editing. I'm also going to get the selected item that's on my main application state. Let's get selected item, get selected item, right? And I'm going to pass that here. I'm going to say this. Selected item. Bam, there we go. Yes, yes, it looks good. Test with all my tests are not gonna. No, I knew it because. Okay. I need to update my which test here. I think the app. No, food item list be updated. This food item list has to be updated. Oh, I've got a bunch of. I need to add some no ops on here. Okay, so come over here. Oh, test. Don't ignore the test, people. I know I was, right? I'm a bad person. I mean, no, you're not a bad person if you're not, full on TTE. I'm trying to be. I'm trying to be better with my tests. Okay, there we go. Tests are passing. That one. Okay. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Cross my fingers. Refresh that. Edit. Ah, there we go. So now if I make this an expensive apple, $5.50. Works. Change it to hair. Update $5.50. I have to have cancel, do something. Actually, what I want to have happen is that when I do the update, I need to update the edits as well. So let's go to the edit food item. And this is what I was talking about before, right? So here we go. Remember, I mentioned I had this here previously. So now, when I do my edit, I am done editing. And when I cancel, I'm done editing. And I don't execute the edit for it. I'm going to actually copy this. Got the old store executor here. There's nothing wrong with doing the store executor wherever you need it, right? If it's curried, why not? Just use it. Basically, so this is not, not able to add, so it's not valid. 950 or 100, sorry. Add, edit. I meant to say 950. Update, and there we go. Bam, so now I need to be able to delete it. Sold it. I have to delete it. So that'll be the last thing that we work on next.